How to identify fly larvae. Are you curious about how to spot fly larvae in your environment? Understanding how to identify these little creatures can be quite handy, especially if you are involved in insect care or breeding. Fly larvae, often referred to as maggots, have some distinct features that set them apart from other insect larvae. First, let's talk about their shape. Fly larvae are typically legless and have a soft body that feels quite squishy. They usually have a plump, segmented, cylindrical shape that narrows slightly at the head. The body color is often creamy white or pale, but it can also appear tan or grayish depending on the species and where they are found. One of the most important traits to look for is the absence of true legs. Unlike caterpillars or beetle larvae, fly larvae do not have 3 pairs of jointed legs on their thorax. Instead, they may have small fleshy protuberances or lobes on their abdomen or thorax that help them move around. Next, pay attention to their body segmentation. You will notice that their bodies are clearly segmented, and you might even see a dark line of the gut inside. This can help you distinguish them from other types of larvae. Another feature to observe is the head structure. The head of a fly larva is usually reduced or not easily seen. In some species, it is hidden within the thorax, making it less noticeable. At the rear end of the larvae, you will find the posterior spiracles. These are breathing openings that can be raised or surrounded by a dark border. The arrangement of these spiracles can vary by species and is a key identification feature. When it comes to size, fly larvae can range from a few millimeters to about 1 inch long, depending on their species and age. Now, where can you find these larvae? Fly larvae thrive in moist environments. You might spot them in decaying organic matter, soil near water, or even in aquatic habitats. Some species, like crane fly larvae, live underwater or in moist soil and have tiny fleshy lobes at their hind end. Understanding how to identify fly larvae is not just about curiosity. It can be beneficial in various ways. For instance, recognizing the stages of fly larvae can help you monitor fly populations and their development. This is especially useful in insect breeding and life cycle studies. Additionally, if you care for insectivorous reptiles or amphibians, knowing how to identify healthy fly larvae is essential for providing proper nutrition. Fly larvae are often a great food source due to their abundance and nutritional value. Lastly, the presence of certain fly larvae species can indicate habitat conditions, such as moisture levels and organic matter decomposition. This can aid in environmental monitoring. So, the next time you come across some larvae, remember to look for those legless, segmented bodies, the unique head structure, and the characteristic posterior spiracles. With this knowledge, you will be better equipped to identify fly larvae and appreciate their role in the ecosystem.